Welcome back to The Blend. So what comes to mind when you hear the word manufacturing? You probably think maybe smokestacks or repetitive assembly lines. Well, you're not alone in thinking that, but today's manufacturing environments, they're actually looking more green. And here on more with what you can expect is Debbie Holton. She's the Director of Events and Strategy for SME, who this study is from. Also with us is Duncan Wood. He's the COO of Rapid News Communications Group. Great having both of you. How are you?
Great, thank you.
Very good, thanks.
So let's separate fact from fiction. The biggest myths when it comes to manufacturing, what are they?
Well, there's a couple, and the first one that you noted is true, the smokestacks, right? So that is not what manufacturing today is like. It's not dark, dirty, and dangerous. It's actually high-tech. It's advanced manufacturing technology. It's everything from iPhones to robots and everything in between. And the other myth is that manufacturing has left the United States, and that's not true either. There are 12 million manufacturing employees in the United States right now, and we project another 3 million to be added in the next 10 years. So it's a great field for creative individuals, for young people to just explore and look at the opportunities.
Absolutely. Let's talk about where these opportunities are and what that next manufacturing environment's going to be. What technologies are going to be, what products are going to be, what are we going to create here at home?
I think the opportunities are everywhere. Everything that we have in our hands, in our homes, is manufactured, and today's emerging technologies are helping us to manufacture in a more efficient manner, in a quicker manner, with less resource use. And I think that's what we need to get across to everybody, not only the public but also students, making sure they understand it's an attractive career to get into, but also there are many engineering companies and manufacturing companies out there that still need a hand in understanding all of this as well. Mm-hmm. Ultimately, it's an incredibly exciting industry to be involved in right now, and that's the perception we need to get across.
So let's talk about 3D technologies. What are they and how do they factor in these changes?
Well, 3D printing and additive manufacturing, digital technologies are all just a really big part of advanced manufacturing. Wow. They really allow a lot of different types of manufacturing paradigms, and it kind of breaks the mold of what you would think of as traditional manufacturing. So new kinds of shapes, custom medical devices, things that can be made just for you from your CAT scan. We have a group of doctors we've worked with through our Rapid event at the University of Michigan who have actually printed tracheal splints for babies who would not have survived. Wow. And they made that through 3D printing. So there's just so many great stories about how 3D printing, additive manufacturing, and the related technologies, they're changing the world, really. It's
funny that you said the term breaking the mold. It's, with 3D technologies, there is no mold to break. It's all 3D printed. It's pretty amazing. There's a new partnership happening between SME and TCT. Explain SME and TCT and how they're helping foster this advance in 3D technology.
Well, both organizations have been involved in the 3D printing and additive manufacturing space now for over 20 years each. Mm-hmm. And really the partnership is a shared vision of increasing the adoption of these technologies through existing manufacturing organizations, but also from a student point of view. Raising the awareness of what's possible, raising the benefits, and introducing the benefits to everybody. And that ranges everything from reducing costs to improving time to market. The bottom line is adopting these technologies will make companies more competitive, and that's extremely important in a global marketplace. Mm-hmm. So the partnership really is designed to accelerate that. The key tenet of that is the Rapid event, which is an SME event that's been running for 26 years now, and that takes place on an annual basis. And really our pooled resources will hope to take that on to the next level in terms of attendance and impact. And that's what the partnership's for.
We have about 20 seconds left. I want to make sure we get this out. Students that can, what they should be focusing on and to be able to be prepared for these jobs of the future. What should they be focusing on and mastering?
Well, they definitely need to work on their math and science for sure, and that starts at middle school. Mm-hmm. But also keep playing your video games. It's a digital world. All those technologies are going to be part of the future of manufacturing, and look for how you can make your ideas come to life through manufacturing. We've got great resources at sme.org for students, teachers, parents, and about the TCT SME partnership and Rapid.
Awesome. All right, Debbie and Duncan, thank you so much. Great having you.
Thank you.
All right, take advantage of the new job opportunities available in the manufacturing industry. It's not the stigma you thought it was once anymore. No, you want to learn more, just head to that website, sme.org. Megan, over